Here's some scientific breakthroughs that we're a lot closer to seeing than you think. You know, we're only a few years away from geologists being able to tell us when an earthquake is gonna happen with about 2 hours notice before it actually happens. There's also recently been some studies on rats that show that we're pretty close to having a cure for rabies, which is great because there's about 60,000 cases of it every single year, and it's one of those diseases where if you start showing symptoms, it's too late, you're gonna die. Scientists have also been starting to actually cut off cells that are infected with HIV using CRISPR, which means a cure for that is just off in their horizon. So is growing transplantable organs. They're saying within the next 20 years that people aren't gonna have to wait for somebody else to die to get their life-saving treatment that they need. They're just gonna be able to like grow you a new organ in a lab. Brain meets computer interface. You know, the whole Neuralink stuff? Yeah, it's actually kind of working out. They put one of those chips in a paralyzed person's brain and he was able to play Civilization